Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the USB and getting the installer. Plug in an 8 GB or larger USB and back up anything important because you will format it. Next, download and run the Windows 10 Media Creation tool as administrator. This tool packages the installer correctly. When prompted, choose Create Installation Media for another PC and pick Language, Edition, and Architecture. Once done, the tool will next ask whether to use a USB flash drive or ISO. Choose USB to continue directly. You now create the actual bootable USB. After selecting USB flash drive, carefully confirm the correct drive letter because the tool will format that drive and erase data. The Media Creation tool downloads Windows files, verifies them, then formats and copies the installation files to the USB. This can take 20-60 minutes depending on your connection. Make sure your PC stays awake and the USB stays connected until progress shows completion. When the tool reports ready, your installer is prepared. Finish by testing and using the USB installer. Safely eject the drive, then insert it into the target PC and enter BIOS or UEFI to set USB as the first boot device. Make sure Secure Boot and Boot Mode match the installer's partition scheme. Restart and follow the Windows setup prompts, choose Custom Install if replacing or clean installing, and enter your product key when asked. If the PC won't boot from USB, check drive formatting, try another USB port, and verify MBR versus GPT and Secure Boot compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.